Today it's snowing outside and it's just such a cozy winter day, and I thought I would take you guys along with me to Goodwill and we would see what they have available for this upcoming season. Hey everyone, I'm Nuri, and in today's video I'm going to take you guys to my local Goodwill, and then when we come back I'm going to share with you guys a couple of items that I recently picked up from there. I feel like it's been forever since I shared a video on here. I hope you guys had a great Christmas and enjoying your new year. Right now, currently, I'm just organizing my home, putting away all my Christmas decor, and slowly starting to bring out some of my winter decor. I'll be sharing with you guys very soon a video of how I transitioned my home from Christmas to winter. I hope to have that video out soon, so I hope you'll come back to watch that video too. First item that I found are these stack of 3 bowls. To me, they reminded me of cabbage leaves, but I really think they're actually flowers, because if you look inside, the inside of the bowl, it has like the flower detail if you look at the center. So I don't think these are cabbages, but from the outside they reminded me of cabbages, and I thought these would be pretty to style for springtime and summertime. And the company is from Pier 1 Imports, and I got a set of 3. I got these set of 3 for only $1. Here's a closer look at these bowls. If you saw my Christmas home tour, then you would have seen this item right here. I did not pick this up recently, but I haven't shared this with you guys. It's this magazine holder. So the black part is metal, and then the brown part is made out of leather. I'm gonna insert a picture right here so you guys can see it better, because it's really heavy. We got this from Goodwill around Christmas time for $6. I love how unique this item is. You could use this as a magazine or book holder, but I am currently using it as a vinyl record holder. What drew me to this magazine holder was that it had that masculine touch. I like to decorate my home with a mixture of masculine and feminine decor, and this magazine holder was perfect for that. These items I have not cleaned yet. I just bought them recently, and I just put it to the side, and I'll clean it later, but I thought I would share with you guys what I picked up. So I got this turkey teapot. It's definitely missing the top part here, and it has a little hole right here. That's how I know it's a teapot, and it has this handle. But I plan on using this as a watering can during the fall time. I look for stuff that I could use and has multiple purpose. And even though this is a teapot and I can't use it as a teapot because it's missing the lid, I will find another way to use this, and I'm going to use this as a watering can. And this item was $2. I love turkey decor pieces for my home during fall time. If you missed my home tour for fall, I would love for you to check it out. I decorated our plate rack with a turkey platter and turkey plates. I love that I could add this to my collection of other turkey decor I have for fall. Here's a closer look at the detail of the turkey. As soon as I walked into Goodwill this week, I saw a lot of Christmas decor, and I definitely purchased something for my home for next year. This item got my attention right away. I love collecting Santa decor pieces. It's too beautiful not to pick up, but what's the beauty of this is that this is actually a musical box, and it actually spins. So hold on, I'm showing you. You have to spin it from the bottom, so that's the reason it was probably donated, because it doesn't work properly. Hold on. Look at it, the Santa item, the Santa figure actually spins. I'll have to put it down on the table to show you guys. This one was $3.99. It didn't have a price when I looked at it, but when I took it up to the cashier, they marked it to $3.99. I have to get this guy cleaned up, but here's a closer look of him. I found these plates right here. I think these are like saucers. I got a set of 4. Original, it was $3.99. And that week, yellow tag was half off, so I got it for $1.99. This is the Johnson Brother Ironstone collection, and I never understood the marking on the bottom, like with the numbers and letters. If you know what that means, please let me know, because I'm really curious to know what the number and letters represents. But anyways, I got 4 of these. I like to stack them on my shelf, and during any season, you could put a glass cloche on top and put like a little figurine inside. For springtime, you could put like a little plant or like a bird inside. I'm not sure if this is a plate or like a platter, but the handles on the side is making me believe it's a platter. But I bought this to use for my winter styling. I normally use blue for summertime. This year, I'm thinking I want to use blue for wintertime too. And these mountains, it looks like snow on top, just reminds me of winter. I would love to find another plate like this to put on my plate rack. I got this for $1.99. Here's a closer look at the plate. I also found a matching teacup during the summertime to this plate, so I plan on using that with my winter styling too. If you are decorating for winter, let me know what colors you are using this year. And if you're not decorating for winter, are you jumping right to spring? If so, how are you decorating for spring? What colors are you planning on using? I normally start decorating for spring towards middle of February, right after Valentine's Day. I'll start bringing out a little bit more flowers. Right now, I like to keep my home very minimal. Now that Christmas is over, I have to get back in the groove of making videos again. And I'm so excited to let you guys know that today is actually my 1-year YouTube anniversary. By the time you guys see this video, it will be the next day or two. Depends when I finish editing the video. But I'm so excited that I've been doing YouTube for 1 year now. I love the people I have met on here. So thank you so much for being here. Thanks for hanging with me today. That's gonna be it for today's video. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye for now.